So whether you're totally out of tune or you're a professional singer that's actually got restrictions with your voice, there's pathways and tools to help you to be free to express yourself and sing with confidence and consistency every time you get up. Hi, I'm Angie and welcome to our channel. We're passionate about helping you learn to sing and love your voice. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots of videos coming through that are going to change your life, unlock your voice. So as I always say, it's been scientifically proven that anyone can learn to sing. Everyone can talk in tune. You just got to learn how to sing in tune. So whether you're totally out of tune or you're a professional singer that's actually got restrictions with your voice, there's pathways and tools to help you to be free to express yourself and sing with confidence and consistency every time you get up. So today we're going to kind of run through some foundations for singing for beginners, but check our other videos out. We've got things for beginners, intermediate and advanced. So today we're going to go through basic warm-ups, breathing, pitch, tone and articulation and diction. They're key things to being able to sing correctly. For a lot of you, you're just going to want to get in pitch, and we've got some great videos on that. But today, let's start with those foundations. So number one is warm-ups. Warm-ups are so important for your voice, just like exercise, because we're going to start to stretch out those vocal folds, get the blood flowing in there and starting to relax so they're ready to work in a new way. We're talking all day, every day, right? So now as we're starting to sing, we're stretching out the vocal folds in a different way. So we've got to get them ready, just like before a run or exercise, so that we don't create damage or create tension. The second thing for good singing is breathing. Need those breathing exercises so you can control your airflow. So often when we go to sing la la la, we run out of air at the end of those lines. So we want to have exercises and tools to improve our breathing so that then we can have control when we're singing. The third thing for good singing is pitch. Now, I know probably 40% of adults struggle with pitch, but it is learnable and it is amazing when you've got it. 95% of people, I think that they can't learn to sing. They've got terrible voices, but it's not actually true, and it's scientifically proven. So there are exercises you can use to improve your pitch. All of us are experts in that area of our voice that we talk in. So what we want to do is start to teach you how to pitch correctly in the other areas. And they're not intuitive. You do need to learn. For example, high notes don't go up, they roll back. Low notes roll forward. So there's a lot of areas of singing that are totally counterintuitive, and that's why you need someone to guide you through. Number 4 is tone. You can have a very nasally tone, you can have a breathy tone, or you can have a high tone, a warm tone. They're all things that you can resonate and learn to change in the way you speak. You don't have to be stuck here or stuck here. You can learn how to resonate in a beautiful place so that you've got control of your tone. Tone we've mimicked from people around us, and we can learn it with singing too. And the last one is articulation, diction, being able to pronounce those vowels and consonants when we're singing so the message comes through. And it's counterintuitive as well, because like sometimes, someone will sing at last. Now the words are at last, but when we sing it, we change those vowels and we change our diction to create a different feel. At last, at last, at last. Different. So we want to learn how to do that as well. So there are 5 keys to get you started with learning to sing. Warm-ups, breathing, pitch, tone, and articulation and diction. Great way to start. We've got some other videos that dive into that for you so you can start to do some training in those areas. Hopefully you've loved this content, and we have so much more because we want to help you unlock your singing voice. So feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and we've got lots of content. There's a course you can jump into that we've made really affordable so you can learn the steps to unlock your singing and your voice, or you can book me one-on-one if you need that clarity and that direction to unlock faster. Either way, can't wait to see you in the next video.